Hello, I'm Brian LaBelle with GF Piping Systems here at the Aquatic Animal Life Support Operator Symposium in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, talking with Todd Devlin-Perry, Manager of Life Support at Mystic Aquarium in Mystic, Connecticut.
Correct.
Thanks very much for taking time from the show to spend some time with us here at the GF Piping Systems booth. So, in addition to being Manager of Life Support, what does that really mean? What is it that you do?
So basically, life support systems, we take care of the animals' environments, make sure that the water and the habitats are clean and safe for our animals. We exhibit animals from beluga whales, sea lions, we have African penguins, and a multitude of other animals.
Yeah. So, approximately how many different exhibits do you have at the aquarium?
So we have approximately 80.
Wow.
Yeah.
All kinds of things, from fish to the mammals.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. And you've got a staff or you got a crew of life support operators that you support in that role. And I know that you're an officer of some sort here at Also. Tell us a little bit about that.
I am. So this year I'm serving as treasurer for Also. So I'm getting into the business end of our operations. I started off first on a committee back in 2016 in Colorado. And what we're doing is basically putting on hands-on workshops for people that kind of work the same kind of roles that I do at Mystic. So we give them opportunities to work with vendors and manufacturers to get specific knowledge, hands-on knowledge on how to calibrate equipment or fix pumps, things like that. So it's a great opportunity for
Yeah, well, we really enjoy our participation as a vendor here at Also. As you know, we've been a long-time supporter, and we've got one of our guys, Dave Valere, back on the water loop right now, conducting ORP calibration trainings and that sort of stuff. And so, really benefiting from some of the opportunities that you and your colleagues here at Also have created for the operators to come. And there's a whole lot of learning that goes on at this symposium. It's really an awesome community and an awesome thing that you've helped create. Love the long history of this organization. And looking to the future, there's going to be some partnerships with the aquaculture world. There are some similarities in the things that you need to do and the things you need to know and the vendors that support that area of life support, I suppose, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's going to be some fun. So at Mystic, you've got some GF Piping Systems product there, probably some Signet sensors, instrumentation.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that.
We have a bunch of different sensors and instruments. So we're testing ORP on most of our mammal exhibits, on all of them actually. Yeah. So we utilize ozone for disinfection purposes. Okay. And the ORP is a good real-time kind of view as to how we're disinfecting our systems. Valuable, very valuable tool. We use flow control, so between flow sensors, level sensors, things like that, conductivity meters that we convert into salinity. We definitely want to make sure that our animals have the right, salt values in their systems. Yeah. And I took a workshop with Dave going back years ago, learning how to do the ORP calibration. It was very valuable for me to demystify ORP calibration as it was.
pH can be somewhat difficult to understand initially, but ORP has its own magic.
Yeah, that's right.
Very interesting, kind of a non-specific thing. We love interfacing with the operators and the users of our equipment, and this organization, this symposium, more than most, give us the opportunity to really talk closely with the people that use our products. And as you know yourself, you participated in one of our aquatic innovation workshops a few years ago, where we gathered some minds together from the industry to really help identify some areas, some feature sets that maybe we weren't currently offering.
Yeah.
And that's really invaluable and helpful for us. We want to be your partner in innovation, as the backdrop says.
Yeah.
And really, that's so true in all the markets that we serve, but we really get to do it most practically, in my experience, here in the aquatic animal life support area. So it's been an absolute pleasure. Yeah. And really appreciate your input. Thanks for being a customer of GF Piping Systems and talking with us here at our booth.
It's my pleasure.
And always good to talk with you, Todd.
You too, Brian. All right, you as well. Thank you.